Okay. I need an office. So here's my current garage as it sits today. So things are pretty crammed, but I also have all this empty space right here in the middle. So my thought is I can take this entire corner, extend it out maybe 9 foot by 9 foot, 9 by 10, square off a corner of the garage, build an office, I mean. So I'll keep you guys posted. Alright, garage still a mess, but things coming along. And the paneling up here, paneling there, windows going there once again, desk and everything will be against the wall, futon here, TV on the wall as well. Then I was gonna frame this section in, but then I figured with the water heater and the heater for the house, if we ever need to change those out, it'd be a huge pain in the butt to take a wall down to do it. So I'll probably just drape a black curtain right here. But that's the plan. Peace. All right, quick update. Running out of steam with the energy. So probably not gonna paint this wall today or the interior, but at least getting everything dialed in. Feeling good about it so far. You. Okay, so here is the finished garage. Got the quiver over here, beach cruisers, tools and everything stacked in there. Little DIY pull-up bar and workout setup. And skate wall, Jordy's bikes. And then here's the office. So I just put up some Christmas lights to give it some good vibes. Got the bookshelves up. That's the book I wrote, Job's Easy. I got this couch for free off OfferUp. Psych on this thing. But yeah, that's it.